Have you come to the end of yourself? Do you thirst for a drink from the well? Hindi mo alam ang nararamdaman ko! Gusto ko na mamatay! Gusto ko na mawala sa mundong to! The Father's arms are open wide. Forgiveness was born with the precious blood of Jesus Christ. I was a wretch. I remember who I was. I was lost. I was blind. Sa kapangyarihan ng iyong tugon, Jesus. Mula sa kadiliman, patungo sa liwanag mo. Mula sa kadiliman, patungo sa liwanag mo.
Merry Christmas, bro! Oh, nangyari siya sa mukha mo. Wala. Anong wala? Hindi ka ba masaya na makita ako? Ay, ni Sarah?
Ata,
Ata!
no calls, no texts, ghosting. Ang merry, di ba? Akala ko, I was going to spend Christmas with someone who truly loves me. Pero hindi. Lagi na lang, nakakapagod na. Kailan ba ako makakahanap ng taong totoong nagmamahal sa akin?
Kanina pa naisip to eh. What if sumama sa amin? May Christmas service sa church, di ba? Oo nga, tapos may gaganapin din ng musical concert after the service.
Tsaka free admission din yung sa ate, di ba nating friends?
Tara, salamat na sa pastor.
Siyang sa'kin ang bibigay sa'yo. Imbay natin, oh. Bakit pa ako? Kapalit-palit pa ako.
Liza! Magluluto na lang kita ng pansit ka, no?
Liza, timpla na lang kita ng coffee frappuccino unconditional love for you and me, had a different plan for our future. This is my season. This is my year. This is my season. This is my year. I see you moving. Turning my life around. Turning my life around. Just living in a moment of grace. Victory is your future. No promises are made, no season. This is my year. I see you moving. Turning my life around. Turning my life around. Jesus, you are the reason for this season, every season. God gives everything God has done to save us, to save us. No one can compare for everything you've done. Jesus, you are the one, the way to make life. You are the only one. Celebrate with God, celebrate with God, let's celebrate. Stop forever. Celebrate with joy, celebrate with joy, let's celebrate the joy of the Lord.
Segment 1 of the 3 p.m. family, we have Charles Olaso, AC,
Production directors. Promotion director, Mr. Ted Morales. Our multimedia director, Mark Kevin Alberto. Our lights director, Ariane Reyes. Program director, Paula Serrana. Our main lead operator, Jamie Senuto. Our director of photography, Daniel Caponel. Our art director, Richard Corpus. Our technical director, Pastor Joshua Sebastian. Our production manager, Shirley Corpus. Our creative director, Mr. Fez Santos. Our assistant lead operator, Shendry Tolentino. And our executive director, Bishop Vicky Sebastian.
regalo. Siyempre, ang mga tagabang na regalo.
Hindi kasama ba ako sa mga regalo sa iyo?
Kayo po, excited na po ba kayo magpasko?
Excited ako magpasko, you know why?
Why?
You know why?
Bakit po?
Kasi magka-30 month na.
Excited na rin ako.
Sa inyo lahat, meron po ang magandang regalo para sa inyo. Merry Christmas po! Merry Christmas po! Okay ka lang? Tisulit mo?
Hindi ko kailangan yan. Pagod na ako.
Oh, teka. Sa December 15 nga po wala. Abangan nyo po. Ang araw-araw ay Pasko. Ako, Neil, from ATM.
And I am RM from ABS Family.
Lord, maraming salamat po.
Palakpakan po natin kasi nagbubuo sa araw-araw ay Pasko. From segment 1, Charles Olaso.
Sabay-sabay nating panoorin ang...
Nagulat ba kayo? Pero mas magugulat kayo sa December 15 dahil ang JCSGO at ang
Dito sa JCSGO, see Dome, and it's free! Ang...
Yung mga maglalakad, timingan lang, mas mabilis. Huwag lang kayong magbabanggan. 5, 4, 3, 2, and action! Kwentuhan, lakad! Bilisan lakad, bilisan lakad.
Ay, sorry!